Ethereum is another use of the blockchain technology that goes beyond the initial concept defined by Bitcoin, introducing the smart contracts. For this particular code example, the way it works, it's almost identical as the way it worked with Bitcoin. We will have to manage accounts with the private and public keys the same way we did it with your Bitcoin manager. One of the main differences is when you do a transfer. Instead of being the responsible to set up the fee amount to pay to the miners, this amount is defined by the network. Once the transfer has been completed, you will be able to check it out in the history of the account. Another important difference for your Ethereum manager is the way we have to sign the data. In this case, we will use a smart contract in order to store in the blockchain the authenticity of the signed documents. If we want to validate that some documents has been signed by a person, we will use the contract number ID to validate that. Anyway, Ethereum and Bitcoin share most of their behavior since they are based in the blockchain technology.